What's up, everybody? It is Sully. We are at Mets and we are talking HVAC today. Why are we talking HVAC? Well, it ties in here, guys, to the MFD. We're with CTM Marine right here with their HVAC system. Now look, we've got a Garmin chart plotter right here, but if I come over here and I go to Vessel, and we go to the OneHelm page right here, guys, I can now have full control of my HVAC systems right here. Everything's right on the screen, and we can also do it from our phone as well. So we've got full control, remotely available to you guys right there. So why would you want to do this, guys? Well, think about it. Maybe you're up at the helm and you want to cool down your cabin before you get there or do any of that kind of stuff. You can do that with this. We're gonna have a full rundown on a Sundays with Sully coming up here real soon, but I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on what's happening. So check it out. If you have some questions for us, make sure to leave it down below. We'll see you guys again real soon. Peace.